Hey there! Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we're diving into the common habits that can turn women off faster than you can say hello. But don't worry, because we've got the solutions to help you fix them. If you're ready to learn how to avoid the biggest turnoffs and make a great impression on women, then stick around. 1. Poor hygiene. First up, poor hygiene is a major turnoff for women. This includes things like bad breath, body odor, and unkempt appearance. Taking care of your personal hygiene shows that you respect yourself and those around you. So make sure to brush your teeth, shower regularly, and groom yourself appropriately. 2. Arrogance. Arrogance is another big no-no. Women are turned off by guys who come across as overly cocky or full of themselves. Instead, focus on being confident without crossing the line into arrogance. Show humility, listen to others, and be open to different perspectives. 3. Lack of respect. Respect is key in any relationship, and women are turned off by guys who don't treat them with respect. This includes things like interrupting them, talking over them, or ignoring their boundaries. Show respect by listening actively, valuing their opinions, and treating them as equals. 4. Being self-centered. Being self-centered is a surefire way to turn women off. Nobody likes someone who only talks about themselves and doesn't show interest in others. Instead, show genuine interest in her life, ask about her day, and listen attentively to what she has to say. 5. Lack of ambition. Women are attracted to guys who have goals and ambition, so a lack of ambition can be a major turnoff. Show that you have drive and passion by pursuing your goals and working towards self-improvement. 6. Negativity. Negativity can also be a huge turnoff. Constantly complaining or focusing on the negative can drain the energy out of any conversation. Instead, try to maintain a positive outlook and focus on the good things in life. 7. Being rude to others. Being rude to others, whether it's waitstaff, strangers, or even your friends, is a major turnoff for women. It shows a lack of empathy and respect for others. Treat everyone with kindness and respect, regardless of their social status. 8. Lack of emotional intelligence. Women appreciate guys who are emotionally intelligent and can communicate their feelings effectively. A lack of emotional intelligence can be a major turnoff. Practice empathy, active listening, and open communication to strengthen your emotional intelligence. 9. Being too controlling. Nobody likes to feel controlled or micromanaged, and women are no exception. Being too controlling can be a major turnoff. Instead, trust her judgment, respect her autonomy, and allow her the freedom to be herself. 10. Lack of confidence. Confidence is attractive, but a lack of confidence can be a turnoff. Women want a guy who is sure of himself and comfortable in his own skin. Work on building your confidence through self-improvement, positive self-talk, and stepping out of your comfort zone. 11. Being dishonest. Honesty is crucial in any relationship, and being dishonest is a major turnoff for women. Whether it's lying about your intentions, your past, or your feelings, dishonesty erodes trust and can damage a relationship beyond repair. 12. Being insecure. Insecurity can manifest in various ways, from jealousy to seeking constant validation. Women are turned off by guys who are insecure because it can create unnecessary drama and strain on the relationship. Work on building your self-confidence and self-esteem. 13. Lack of ambition. Women are attracted to guys who have goals and ambition, so a lack of ambition can be a major turnoff. Show that you have drive and passion by pursuing your goals and working towards self-improvement. 14. Being closed-minded. Being closed-minded and unwilling to consider other perspectives can be a major turnoff for women. Instead, be open to new experiences, ideas, and viewpoints. Show that you're curious and willing to learn and grow. 15. Lack of independence. Women are attracted to guys who have their own interests, hobbies, and lives outside of the relationship. A lack of independence can be a turnoff because it can come across as clingy or needy. Maintain your independence and continue to pursue your passions. 16. Being overly aggressive. Being overly aggressive or pushy can be a major turnoff for women. Whether it's in your approach or your behavior, aggression can make women feel uncomfortable and unsafe. Instead, practice patience, respect boundaries, and take things at her pace. 17. Lack of empathy. Empathy is essential in any relationship, and a lack of empathy can be a major turnoff. Women want a guy who can understand and validate their feelings. Practice empathy by putting yourself in her shoes and being supportive of her emotions. 18. Being cheap. Being overly frugal or cheap can be a major turnoff for women. It's not about spending extravagant amounts of money, but rather showing that you're willing to invest in experiences and create memories together. Show generosity and thoughtfulness in your actions. 19. Lack of personal hygiene. Just like poor hygiene, a lack of personal grooming can be a major turnoff. This includes things like unkempt hair, dirty nails, and sloppy attire. Taking care of your appearance shows that you respect yourself and those around you. 20. Being inattentive. Lastly, being inattentive or distracted can be a major turnoff for women. Whether it's constantly checking your phone or zoning out during conversations, it can make women feel unimportant and undervalued. Show that you're fully present and engaged by giving her your undivided attention. So there you have it, 20 habits that can turn women off and how to fix them. Remember, nobody's perfect, but being aware of these habits and making an effort to improve can go a long way in making a positive impression on women. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on improving your dating life. Until next time, take care and happy dating.